Next, very important electrical component is resistance. Why? Generally, resistance bucks and rheostat are variable resistance. Very important. All of you understand the complete concept of what is the meaning of resistance? Why resistance bucks, rheostat are also called as a variable resistance. The resistance wire is generally made up of any alloying material called manganesium material, and it has a fixed resistance depending upon its length and thickness. It is used as a standard resistance. The resistance of a material depends upon the length as well as the thickness of the corresponding manganesium alloy, so that it depends upon the material length as well as thickness, so that it is a standard resistance or fixed resistance. A rheostat, it is a different than that of the standard resistance. A rheostat is a device by which resistance in a circuit can be varied continuously. How much resistance you want? Based on that, you can vary the entire resistance in the corresponding circuit. It is used to adjust the magnitude of current in a circuit by changing the length of resistance wire included in the circuit. By using rheostat, you can control the current present in the circuit. You can increase the current, decrease the current depending upon the length of the corresponding resistance material inside the rheostat. We will understand how it works. As shown in the figure, very important. See the diagram. It consists of an enameled constant wire wound in the form of coil over an asbestos pipe fitted in an iron frame and provided with a sliding contact jockey on a brass rod. It has 3 terminals A, B and C, out of which 2 terminals A and B are at the ends of the resistance wire, and the third terminal C is at the end of the brass rod connecting the jockey. The enamel of the coil wire is removed at the place where the jockey touches the wire. The entire rheostat is, if you take an enameled constant wire wound around the entire in the form of the coil on asbestos pipe fitted in the iron frame and provided with a slide jockey on the top, and again it is having the 3 terminals A, B are fixed terminals, and again C is the top of the brass rod, so that by using that you can vary the entire resistance of the entire rheostat, and also with the help of that you can control the current present in the circuit. And A, B are at the ends of the resistance wire, and the third terminal C is at the end of the brass rod connecting the jockey. The enamel of the coiled wire is removed at the places where the jockey touches the wire. See the complete diagram. That is the entire construction of the rheostat. And again, how it works? Let us understand that the wire between the terminals A and B provides a fixed resistance. A and B are both of the fixed points, so that depending upon the length and again the thickness of the corresponding material which is wound on the asbestos pipe, which is act as a fixed resistance or standard resistance equal to the resistance of the entire length of the wire. When rheostat is used as a fixed resistance of R, connections are made with the terminals A and B as shown in the figure. Symbol R is used for a fixed resistance. Generally A to B, it is a fixed points, so that the resistance of the corresponding wire, constant wire, is based on the length and as well as thickness of the material, so that it is a standard resistance, or also called as the fixed resistance. It is denoted by the symbol capital R. The main use of a rheostat is as a smoothly varying resistance. For this connections are made between the terminals C and either of the fixed terminals A or B. You can take the A or B as a fixed terminals, but C is a sliding with the help of the jockey, so that you can vary the resistance of the corresponding wire. With the help of that, when you present in a circuit, you can change the current. Because of the rheostat, it is a current controlled device. Next, as shown in the figure 9.6b. See the diagram. The jockey connected to the middle terminal C can be slided, and by making its contact at different points, because of the jockey is connecting the different entire the enamel wounded constant and wire, the current then enters at the positive terminal A or B. It flows in the resistance of wire of length up to the jockey and then leaves at the terminal C. In order to adjust the current of a desired value in the circuit, the jockey of the rheostat is slided to obtain the desired resistance. Simple RH is used for a variable resistance. Generally, the fixed resistance from A to B with the help of the jockey, the current is passed from the A end. I am taking whether you will take the positive terminal of the corresponding battery is connected to whether it is A or B. Current is passed through that, and again it will be passed through the entire wound constant and wire. After that, wherever the jockey is touching, from the with the help of the jockey, the current is passed through the third terminal. So that with the help of the sliding the jockey, you can change the resistance of the corresponding wire. With the help of that one, you can vary the current present in the circuit. So that is act as a current controlled device present in the circuit. And also the symbol used for a rheostat is RH. Capital R, small h is used for the variable resistance or rheostat. Variable resistance and again the rheostat, both are same. Next, a resistance box. Figure 9.2F. See the diagram in the textbook. Is provided with several standard resistances. Say 1, 2, 3, 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 5 ohm, 10 ohm, 20 ohm, 20 ohm and 50 ohm. These are the fixed resistances. It cannot vary. Connected in series between the two terminals, a resistance of any desired value between 1 ohm to its maximum value. You can connect the either of these all the resistances, or if you want suppose the 4 resistance, what you will do? If you join the 2 ohms and 2 ohms in the series, you will get the 4 ohms. So that depending upon the how much resistance you want, based on that, and again the whether it is a series and parallel connection, you can connect in the different manner so that you will get the desired value of resistance. Next, in a step of 1 ohm, by taking out the plug of that particular resistance from the resistance box. Suppose if you want 1 ohm, you can take the entirely 1 ohm resistance of the wire. Because of it is a fixed resistance or standard resistance inside the box, as your wish you can take the depending upon the whatever the resistance you want for corresponding circuit diagram you can use. That is a resistance box. Very important. Resistance wire is nothing but the standard resistance. Resistance box is nothing but the how much resistance you want based on the circuit diagram you can use it. And again the very important thing is the rheostat or variable resistance. You can vary the resistance depending upon the length and the thickness and working of the entirely, and again the construction of the rheostat. Very important. All of you read the entire the concept of this one by using textbook.